Hey guys, if you're trying to install any software from the apps list and it shows an error like Uninstall.exe not found, then this video is for you. So there are two working methods that can help you to fix this issue. If you don't have the software setup file but you still want to remove it from the apps list, follow these steps. Click the Windows button, type regedit and open the registry editor. Now go to the location shown on the screen. I have also added the full path in the description box so you can get this path from there. Once you are there, search for the software name. In my case, I'm searching for the System Explorer software. When you find the correct registry folder, right click on it, select Export and backup it. Then right click on it again and choose Delete. Now the software will remove from your apps list. That's it. Your problem is solved now. But if the first method doesn't work, reinstall the software and then install it properly from the app list. This is the genuine process that removes all the related files and registry entries completely. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.